how to turn on or turn off, remove unwanted objects in camera documents scan on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon and click on this settings icon. Now in setting you will see first option is scan documents and text. So click on scan documents and text. So after click on scan documents and text, so now you will see last option is remove unwanted objects. So if you want to turn on remove unwanted objects, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button you will see remove unwanted object is turn on. So if you want to turn off remove unwanted objects, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button you will see remove unwanted object is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off remove unwanted objects from here. So after the process go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn on or turn off remove unwanted objects in camera documents scan on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video please subscribe. Thanks for watching.